Today we're diving into Motion, an AI-powered calendar app that promises to streamline your scheduling. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out if this tool can actually make your life easier or if it's just another app to clutter your digital space. Motion is designed to help you manage your time more effectively by integrating tasks, meetings, and personal commitments into a single calendar. It uses AI to prioritize your schedule, suggesting the best times for your tasks based on your preferences and deadlines. The user interface is clean and intuitive, which is a plus if you want to get started quickly without a steep learning curve. However, while the concept is compelling, some aspects feel a bit vague. For instance, the AI's decision-making process isn't fully transparent. It's unclear how it determines priorities, which might leave some users second-guessing its suggestions. Additionally, it targets busy professionals and students, but I wonder if it can truly adapt to different working styles or if it's just one size fits all. Overall, the app feels promising, but there are still questions about its flexibility and reliability in real-world scenarios. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Motion shines with its sleek interface and AI capabilities that can genuinely save you time on scheduling. If you're someone who juggles multiple commitments, this could be a game changer. On the flip side, the lack of transparency around how the AI prioritizes tasks is concerning. Some users might find that frustrating, especially if they prefer a more hands-on approach to their scheduling. Additionally, it's subscription-based, which might not appeal to everyone, especially if you're already using a free calendar app. If your needs are simple, this may not be worth the investment. Overall, while Motion offers great features, it might not suit everyone's workflow or budget. In conclusion, Motion is worth considering if you're a busy professional looking to optimize your time management. However, if you prefer more control over your scheduling or are on a tight budget, you might want to explore alternative options. It has potential, but be sure to weigh your needs before diving in.